Why is it as human beings that we are designed to be oppositional? How many of you have ever walked into a store looking to buy something, and then the person that's designed to come up there, that's their job, they come up to you and they say to you, "Can I help you?" And your response is, "No, thank you." And as they walk away, you're like, "Why did I just do that?" And then what you do is you spend the rest of the time trying to find what you're looking for. You'll ask any other sales associate, and then all of a sudden, if the sales associate that came up to you to ask for help looks over to you, you're like ducking out of the way, you're trying to move, you're like, "Oh, there's..." When I say up, everyone says down. When I say left, everyone says right. When I say stop, everyone says go, because we're stuck in our oppositional patterns. I've never done a training where when I say up, someone says up. When I say left, someone says left. When I say stop, someone says stop. On the day I hear that, that person's getting a free dinner from me, because I want to learn from them what it took for them to get outside of the matrix of their mind to be less oppositional. When you're stuck in automatic patterns, which is 95% of your day, you don't even realize that you're in them. One of the worst patterns that has gone into our minds is creating expectations. How many people have ever created an expectation for another human being? Who's ever created an expectation for another human being? Never shared the expectation with them. So when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who are you mad at? How does that make any sense whatsoever? We create so many expectations for so many different things, and we don't understand why. We're stuck. See, when you start being aware of your patterns, when you start breaking out of your automatic systems and behaviors, other people in your life are not going to like it. So you can either help them break out of their patterns or eliminate them from your existence. Stop, think, act, review. If in the moment that you're upset you can stop yourself, awesome. Some people can't, some people can. If you don't get the opportunity to stop yourself, then afterwards, when the situation's over, think, what expectation did I create for that human being or this situation? Act, change the expectation. Review, am I happier? If you have parents that pick the kids up at 6:15 and you still create an expectation for them to pick them up at 6 o'clock, maybe change your expectation, and now you're not going to be upset anymore. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.